am really excited to be here with Salvatore Capritta from Italy. And he has recently passed the Associate Developer certification. And my goal is to hear from him how did this process work, and to be able to give inspiration to you as you're looking to become Magento certified. So welcome, Salvatore. It's great to have you on.
Welcome. Thank you, Joseph. Nice to meet you.
It's good to meet you as well. So I'm curious, what prompted you to become Magento certified? What was the inspiration, that moment that you said, I need that certification?
Yes, Joseph, we used to build our web products on top of a custom-made based on Zen framework CMS, internal CMS. But few years ago, we decided to move to Magento 2 as our main platform for our e-commerce solutions. So after the first experiences, the first works, I understood that going for a certification should have been the right next step to do it in order to increase the knowledge and improve the skills on it. So
Very good.
My motivation.
Excellent, excellent. So how did you prepare for this test? What materials, what steps did you take in order to get to this point that you felt, yeah, I'm ready to take this test?
Yes, I started with DevDocs, DevDocs on Magento, and then I occasionally taken some tutorials, some articles, some videos, some playlists on YouTube, something better than others, of course. And then at the end, I decided to take the SweetAuthor materials because I feel I needed a more guided path for the certification, more guided study path. Okay. And that helped me a lot with materials, knowledge, practice, and with a lot of friends too by the Slack channel.
For sure. That's great. Yeah. So participate in that Slack channel. That's good. I do like to ask this question, as you were studying, I'm guessing there were some things that were enlightening to you that were, I'm sure you all have a similar expression, but like a light bulb moment, it's like, I didn't know that before. Do you remember one of those things that is like, wow, this is really cool that I just learned here in my studies in preparing for this test?
Yes, there are a couple. Something in general, sharing in the Slack channel, practicing by the videos on the practice test gave me a more enlightened situations difference. Something for working with database, something that just click something, and something about internal architecture of Magento. But in general, I think the big gift I took from this experience is a more clear understanding on how the platform works. This is the most valuable things that I took from this experience at all.
That's excellent. That's excellent. So you studied, you worked hard on this, you learned some great new stuff, and then the day comes that you say, okay, I've booked my test. Now we are going to take the test. What did you think of this associate developer test? What were some of these thoughts that were going through your head as you were clicking the answer on every question, and then you click the next button? What was your impression of the test?
I was a bit, it's not so surprising, I can say. I can mainly divide the test for me because I think it's very personal. But for me, half of the test was quite easy. Quite easy. Some other stronger, and I needed to focus more. But the most important element for me, for a non-English speaking like me, it was what can make the difference between hard and easy question. It was the question itself. Read the question carefully helped me a lot because every single word for a non-English speaking can make the difference. So I took my time. I was a bit nervous. So it was an exam. So
of course, we all are.
you have to. But I try to take my time, read the question 2, 3, sometimes also 4 times before I give my answer, because some little words between made a difference. That helped me a lot.
Well, that's really good advice. Exactly. And for someone who is a native English speaker, I wholeheartedly agree, because it can be just one word that makes the difference. and I'm confident I missed some questions because I just didn't read it carefully. So very good advice there. So in wrapping this up, I'd like to ask, how has this helped you now? So has there been any benefits that you have seen immediately come out of the certification?
I think the main one is something I already said. Maybe it's a more clear vision. So I'm approaching my works, my customization, my customer needings in a slightly different way, with a more understanding, more complete vision of everything. So that helped me a lot. So something really switched, and that's what I was expecting for the certification. Not only the certification itself, not only the paper or the PDF, but the experience and the knowledge that I can feel it. You can feel it just the day after the certification.
Yes, that's good.
You feel more confident.
Right, exactly. And it goes back to what we've talked about quite a little in that certification challenge with it's for sometimes some people will see immediate benefits. And I think with your work, you've already seen a lot of those benefits, but there's immediate benefits, but what you're seeing is even recognizing immediately those long-term benefits of the knowledge. So as you have this knowledge, you're more comfortable, you're providing better solutions. And ultimately, that makes the people you work with happier, your colleagues, and that whole circle sees you as more knowledgeable, more capable. So absolutely, I think that's outstanding.
Yes. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's a very good experience.
I
can only recommend it.
That is awesome. Well, Salvatore, I appreciate you coming on. It was great having you be able to share your experience and your insights, having been down this road, having passed the test, first time, right? I think it was the first time.
Yes.
So
yes. First Magento certification.
Excellent. Definitely congratulations to you, and grateful for you coming on to share your experiences. Thank you.
My pleasure. See you soon.
All right, take care.